Hi there everyone, congratulations! Welcome to the complete Python Bootcamp for Absolute Beginners course. This Python course has been delivered for the beginners to help them to understand the basics to the advanced concepts of Python programming language. After completing this course, you will find yourself at the great level of expertise in Python, from where you can take yourself to the next level to become a world-class software engineer. The question is, what makes this course different from other Python courses? Well, the course has more than 80 lectures with hands-on tutorials. It contains projects, coding challenges with its answers, assignments, and also we include modules in the resource section so that the learning in the teaching process is based on practicing. Why learning Python is one of the best decisions you can make throughout your life. Well, Python is consistently rated as one of the world's most popular programming languages. Python is fairly easy to learn, so if you are starting to learn any programming language, then Python could be your great choice. Today, Python is very high in demand, and all the major companies are looking for a great Python programmers to develop websites, software components, and applications, or to work with data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning technologies. Here are the names of a few big companies which are using Python: Google, Intel, PayPal, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Pinterest, Uber, and many more. So you could be the next potential employee for any of these major company. So what are you waiting for? Click here and enroll today. The time is limited. We can make more money, but we cannot make more time. If you want to learn Python for game development, for software development, you need to know the basics. Without knowing the basics, we cannot learn the advanced concepts. So that is what this course does. So that click here and enroll today. I will see you inside.